Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our AutoCAD class, today I will teach you how to know the shortcuts for each command inside the AutoCAD. There is also Aliasedit command, from where you will know the shortcut for each command. So if I enter Aliasedit, there is this dialog box will appear, and you can print or install to your computer. You can save. Already I saved to my computer. From here you will know the shortcut of each command. Suppose for arc, this a shortcut, the area double A, like this. So from here you will know what is the shortcut for each command, and from here I will from the start we will start in how many command we will learn. So I will correct this, so the next day we will know after that. So today I will start from A. This for our 3D 3 dimension or for 3D. So still we did not read, we study about 3D, so we will work on 2D. So from A I will start from A, and what command we learn, I will color this command. So in the next video I will know up to here we read, and we will go forward in the next video. So today I will tell you about some important command inside this I will teach you. So from the A there is a command arc command, where arc is using. Suppose if there is some place we want to make curve here or anything, you can enter arc, and like this. If it is asking video click, it is asking for, you can make like this command. When you press A, enter, there is inside you center option or a start point. If you click the center point, suppose I make center here, then it's asking for the start point and the end point. So like this you can create arc anywhere you need, you can create arc. Okay, the next command is AA. A is an important command as when you calculated quantity. So this shortcut for area. So in two ways you can use this command. Suppose if I want to know area of this bathroom, so I will enter double A. Double A is the shortcut for area. First is asking for there are two options. If you give object, add area, subtract area, you can add, subtract, and select object. But first when I enter double A, is asking for the corners. How many corners? Suppose from here 1, 2, 3, and you will see the color, the green color. And when you stop, when you finish your geometry where for which you want to calculate the area, then press enter. And when you press enter, there is just the area appear here and with the command. And if you if it is disappear, then you press F2 and it will appear. The area is 4.41 4.1 or 4.41, yes, and the parameter is 8.4. So if I check here, 2.1 meter, 2.1 meter. So if you check this one, the previous area was 4.41. So already if it is multiplied this one, this was suppose maybe I click somewhere else, so you must click exact where you want to from where you want to calculate the area. Okay, the next thing, if you have a rectangle or a closed object, suppose for this rectangle I want to calculate the area. So double click, double A, enter, and then for the press enter O or select this one and then select object. When you select object, it's showing 4.12 and 8.63 like this. If the big I draw a big rectangle, double A enter and O enter object, and you can know this is 55 square meter area, and parameter is the length of the boundary. If you want to know, it's the formula 2 into L plus width, length plus width multiply by 2, and area is length multiply L by length multiply by width. So like this, you can calculate the area. You can subtract inside you if you don't want. There is option. If you know from inside here, add area, and you can add to selected area and subtract area. You can also add or subtract area from this one, the selected area. Okay, next let's move to the third command, which is okay, there is al. Is also very important command, align command. Suppose I will rotate this, so you will understand the importance of this align command. So okay, so suppose this one anything in a box or anything, I want to align this box with this wall. So for alignment, this command is used, and the shortcut for this command is al. You press al and then press enter. Okay, it's option asking for the object. Select the object and then click on it. It's asking for the first source. Suppose I want this corner to be here and this corner to be aligned with this wall. Okay, there are two, that this side will be aligned to this side and the rest will be aligned automatically. Press enter. Okay, it's asking scale object based on alignment point. I selected 2 point. If I click no, it will the same size will move here. If I click yes, for the 2 point it will extend to here. So first no, you can see here it's aligned with these both wall. So okay, I will control Z. Okay, if you want this box to align from here to here, then click enter al, select, then space, then select this corner to be here and this corner to be here. Okay, and then press enter. If you click yes, then this side will be aligned from here to here, exactly the size of this wall. So when you press enter, you can see this the size of this box increase as when I press enter. Yes, so for yes, you mean the point you selected, the size of the subject will be adjusted to the same size of the 2 point selected. Okay, the third command is array command. Already we studied in the draw or modify bar. So I will color this. So in the next video I will know from where we studied. So the next important command here, there is no important command here in this list. So okay, block, already we studied this in the previous classes. BH, about H, already we studied this. Okay, BO for the boundary, already we studied. What's command we studied already. I will discuss about this command. So C is for circle. Okay, circular. So we study about CH. This CH, the properties is also important command. So we will learn about this. Okay, so CH, the properties. Suppose if I want to know about this arc or anything, press CH, or control 1. This the shortcut for this property. And we do select any object, This dialog box will appear, and here every detail of this arc will be here. Suppose the color, this first thing, this is arc. The next thing, the color by layer, the line scale, the line type, anything here appear here. The coordinates, start point, the z value, the radius, you can see here, anything appear here. So this the properties. Ch is property shortcut for properties. You can if you don't know about something, you can click. Suppose if I want to know this circle, about this circle, so here you can see the diameter, the radius, the coordinates, the color, anything it will display. So it's also very important command. The properties, from here it is text like this, so it will tell you about this object which you selected. So up to here I think it's enough. Chamfer command, already we studied this command. So like this, copy command also we study in the previous class. So like this, which command are important, I will teach you about this in every video, and I will color, so and I will save this. So in the next video we will know up to what command we learned. Okay, so this was today video. Hopefully it will help you in your work. Okay, thank you.